Like most excavator scales, the T1 digger system utilizes some angle sensors. We have one mounted on the stick to sense the angle of rotation of the stick. We have one mounted on the boom itself to monitor the rotation of the boom. In addition to those two angle sensors, one can get mounted on the bucket linkage to ensure that we capture where that center of gravity is moving. In addition, one can get mounted onto the chassis to make sure that if you're listed or tilted one way or another, that those forces get accounted in as well. In addition, on the T1 digger, we do have to monitor the pressure in the lift cylinder using two transducers. This one is mounted on the rod side. This one is mounted on the piston side, or the bottom of the hydraulic cylinder.